As you can see, this was one of my most requested videos, so here it is.
Let's make egg fried rice.
Here's a sneak peek of all the ingredients I use. Fruit and veggie wash, essential. The first ingredient I used is carrots, since I thought this would give the egg fried rice a nice crunch. I cut it into pretty small pieces. The next ingredient I used was bell pepper. I chose red since this was the most common bell pepper I've seen used in cooking recipes. I thought this would add a little spice to the egg fried rice. I also cut it into small pieces. The next ingredient I used was broccoli. I thought this would add to the crunch factor of the egg fried rice. I pulled apart the broccoli into small pieces. The next ingredient I used was green onions. I used the whole green onion. This also added to the crunch of the egg fried rice. The next ingredient I used was garlic, since it tastes good with everything. Here's all my veggies. On to the main ingredients. I used scrambled eggs. I used day-old rice since you have to do that for making egg fried rice apparently. I used a wok since egg fried rice is an Asian dish, so it seemed right. I added all my veggies. I mixed in my veggies. Egg fried rice has a lot of mixing. I added salt and pepper for seasoning since I use them every time I cook. I added some red pepper here for more spice. Then I mixed some more. I added some sesame oil since I enjoy the taste and I add it to most Asian dishes that I make. I added some soy sauce here for the same reason. I added some oyster sauce since it's also used in a lot of Asian dishes. I mixed in the sauces. As you can see, it's getting pretty dark and close to being done. I added the eggs last since they're already warm and cooked. I mixed the eggs in. Now it's starting to come together. It's pretty much done, as you can see. We got the eggs, the fried rice, all the veggies. And at this point it's done. Steaming, as you can see, looks delicious. I tried it expecting it to be okay, but it was really good. I highly recommend making this recipe. Thanks for joining me in making egg fried rice for the first time. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next.